Hey everyone, welcome to the Artificial Intelligence Tutorials channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn your YouTube channel into a money-making machine. But first, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Done. Awesome. Let's dive in. Starting your YouTube journey is all about planning, consistency, and sticking to the rules. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. First, choose a niche. Pick something you're passionate about or an area of expertise. Research popular topics and trends, then narrow it down to a niche with a sizable audience. Next, set up your channel. If you don't have a Google account, create one. Head over to YouTube and sign in. Click on Create a Channel and follow the prompts. Customize your channel art, description, and tags. Now plan your content. Develop a content strategy, whether it's vlogs, tutorials, or reviews. Create a content calendar to stay consistent and invest in quality equipment like a good camera, microphone, and lighting. When you're ready, record and edit your videos. Ensure high-quality video and audio. Use editing software like Adobe Premiere or Final Cut Pro. Don't forget to add captions, tags, and descriptions to your videos. To get noticed, optimize your videos for YouTube. Use keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. Create eye-catching thumbnails. Promote your videos on social media and other platforms. Meet YouTube's monetization requirements. You need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. Plus, follow YouTube's community guidelines and terms of service. Once you're there, apply for the YouTube Partner Program. Sign in, go to YouTube Studio, click on Monetization and follow the prompts. Explore different monetization options like ads, sponsorships, product placements, merchandise sales, affiliate marketing, and premium content. Lastly, analyze and adjust. Use YouTube Analytics to track your performance. Tweak your content strategy based on the data and always aim to improve. Remember, building a successful channel takes time and effort. Focus on high-quality content, engage with your audience, and adapt to changes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, and share our videos. Subscription is free. Love you all. Just kidding, but seriously, thanks for being here.